Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and finally for my daughter's car, she's got the 2023 Tesla Model 3, finally got her a full set of floor mats. I got them from a company that's pretty well known named Basenor, and well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open these things up and get them ready. These come in a nice box straight from Amazon. I will have the link if you're interested in these down below in the description to this video. However, as you can see, it comes in a pretty good secured box. After I open these things up, I want you to notice that for the back, they come folded over. So what I'm going to do is, after I take them out of the plastic here, I'm going to lay them out on my driveway so that way the sunlight can beat on them for a couple hours and help lay them flat before I go to install them in the car. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, so after I took them out, you can see they have a little bit of, I guess you can say, warpage, but after the sun beats on them for a little while, they're going to lay down flat. Okay, but you can see that's for the back, passenger, front. You got the trunk mat here, and then we got our front mats. All right, let's let them heat up for a little while. All right, while I'm letting these things bake in the sun a little bit to let them flatten out where they're supposed to be flattened out, I just wanted to show you on this mat here. This is like a 3D printed version, and what is so cool about these mats is when you're in your car and you get stuff on them, you spill something, you can just pull them out carefully and then you just spray them off. You take them to the car wash, the guys will spray it off for you. You rinse it off, and then you dry them and you put them right back in there. And they're excellent, excellent material. I love the way these things feel. It's almost like a soft rubber material. All right, so I've had these laid out here for a couple hours now. Sun hasn't come out too much, but I think it looks a lot better than when I first put them out, so I'm going to go ahead and install them in her car. All right, first one, put it in this passenger side. Now, what I like about it, they fit in almost perfect. You don't really have to move them around at all. They fit in there nice and snug, and they're not going anywhere. Had someone tell me once, oh, well, you get a floor mat and you put Velcro strips underneath it and it'll keep them from sliding around. But look, with these mats, you don't need any floor or any kind of Velcro or anything like that, man. They stay in there absolutely perfect, and they look great. Let's put the driver's side in. Get it up underneath the mats there. Fits right down in. You look here, you see this nice little hump right here? Man, fits perfect right in that area. And boy, anything you spill on here, it's gonna catch it. It's gonna be like a bowl. Gives you plenty of time to get out and clean it, wash them, put them right back in. Let's do the back. Let's put the back row in. Look at that, man. These things are cut perfect. I mean, they fit absolutely perfect in there. Look at that. All the way along there. Cut out for each one of these little grooves for where the seats go. Fits right down in there. Beautiful. Absolutely. Look at that. All right, let's do the front. You can see that the key right there for when you're towing. You got that, and look at this. You even got that same indentation right there on your mat. So at least you know that this one is designed for the front. Look at that. Beautiful. Put some wet bathing suits in there, cooler, something like that, and it leaks. Now it's going to catch it all right there. That looks awesome. So the next piece we have next is going to be for the lower part of the trunk. Down there you can see this is just like a I don't know, cardboard with a little bit of felt material on here, where if you do get a leak in here or whatever, you're going to have some problems. It's going to soak up and not dry. So let's take this, see if I got it in here right. I think I do. And now it will help catch any kind of water that leaks in here, hopefully. It'll catch it right there, and then you'll be able to soak it up. That looks awesome. Now the next piece is going to be the entire trunk. We're going to put it in here. It's pretty big, so I'm going to have to put it in and then grab the camera. For this mat, fits in there really nice and snug. You see how it fits all the way up to the back of the seats there. And it's got the cutout here, so you can still lift that part up, get to it. Fits down in there really nice and snug. Anything you put in here still needs to lay down a little bit right there, but that's just because it's folded up in the box when you get it. But give it some time and that hump will lay down flat. All right, Delaney, so I know you weren't here yesterday, but today I got you, or yesterday I installed your new floor mats by Basenor. Tell me what you think about them.
I really like them. They're sleek and they're simple, and they go with the overall aesthetic of the car that I wanted. Just simple, minimalistic. Yeah,
Okay,
and they're
why
great.
don't you pull it out and show how easy it is to pull them out.
Okay, it's easy. You just pick them up, shake them off, wipe them off if you need to.
Okay.
And then literally they fit so well and perfectly that all you gotta do is put them in like that, and they're in. No issues.
Do they move around or anything?
Not that I felt when I was driving. They're pretty, the traction from the plastic and the carpet keep them pretty secure, and they're also made perfectly to fit in the Tesla, so yeah.
All right.
Pretty good.
So you give them thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
All right, awesome. Okay guys, so we're going to do a quick demonstration. We took this bottle of Fanta, it's a 20-ounce bottle. We poured it on there. You see that it still holds everything on there. We're going to let that sit there for a little bit, and then we're going to spray it off and show you how easy it is to do it. We are also putting some dirt on the back, because you can see that's normal for kids getting in and out of your car, huh, Delaney? Is that about normal?
Yep.
All right, let's see how it is to spray it off now.
Ready?
All right, Delaney, clean off the drink. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's start getting the dirt off. All right, is that pretty easy? Wipe it off, let it dry a little bit, and put it right back in your car, right?
Right.
All right, not bad. Okay, so overall, I think these mats are pretty nice. I highly recommend them. If you are interested in these mats, the link will be down below in the description. It'll take you straight to the Amazon account to where you can make the purchase, and you get these same exact ones. These ones here we have these in the 2023 Tesla Model 3. I believe they will fit some of the older versions of the car as well, but the description will be down below if you're interested in them. You agree? Delaney agrees. Okay, so anyways, guys, if you haven't done so already, give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below if you've had these mats before. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about them and how good they've lasted for you. Okay, guys, so anyways, be safe, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Until next time, check you later. Bye.